Hello grade 4 leaders, hope you're fine. Today we're going to learn some phrasal verbs that begin with the verb turn. Let's take the first example. They turned us away at the supermarket. What does this mean? This means that they wouldn't let her in the supermarket. Now let's listen to some phrasal verbs.
Page 163. Word study. D. Listen and read the words. Then read the sentences and circle the correct phrasal verb.
Turn on. Turn back. Turn in. Turn up. Turn over. Turn down.
Now let's look at the pictures and try to guess the meaning of each word. Number 1. Turn on. What does this mean? Look at the picture. The man turns on the TV. So turn on means to start a machine or a device. Number 2. Turn back. As we see in the picture, this boy is running back home. Why? Oh, it's raining. So because it rains, the boy turns back to his home. So turn back means to return the way you have come. Number 3. Turn in. As we see in the picture, the boy turns in his homework. He gives his homework to the teacher. So turn in means to deliver something. Number 4. Turn up. As we see here, we turn up the volume to the maximum. So, turn up means to increase the sound. Number 5. Turn over. As we see in the picture, the cook turns over the meat. So, turns over means to change the position so that the other side is facing the top. Number 5. Number 6. Turn down. Turn down means to reduce the noise or heat. As we see in the picture, it means to reduce the sound or heat that something makes. Now, let's take some examples. Example number 1. I want to turn on the television. It's time to watch the news. So, when we want to watch the news, we have to turn on the television means to start the television. Number 2, the weather became so bad that they had to turn back. Turn back means to return home. So because the weather is so bad, they had to turn back home. Number 3, I want you all to turn in your homework on Tuesday morning. Turn in means to deliver or to give the homework to your teacher. Number 4. I love this song. Turn up the radio, please. So turn up means to increase the sound of the radio. Number 5. Brown the meat one side, then turn it over and brown it the other side. So when we brown the meat on one side, we have to turn it over to the other side to brown it well. Number 6. The TV is too loud. Can you turn it down? So if the TV is too loud and noisy, you have to turn it down. You have to reduce or to lower its sound. Now it's time to test your knowledge. Here is an application. Read the sentences and circle the correct phrasal verb. Number 1. When the boys turned over or turned in the rock, they found a sleeping lizard. So when they turned over or turned in the rock. Number 2. Mr. Grass's students turned down or turned in their homework at the beginning of the class. So the students turned down or turned in their homework. Number 3. The hikers went up the hill but turned up or turned back when it started to rain. So when it started to rain, they turned up or turned back. Number 4. Lisa turned up or turned down the music after her parents said it was too loud. What did Lisa do? Turned up or turned down the music? Number 5. Sue turned on or turned down her radio to listen to the news. What did Sue do? Turned on or turned down her radio? Number 6. Alien turned over or turned up the television because he couldn't hear it well. What did Alien do? Turned over or turned up the television? Hope you'll do well, students, and hope you understood the phrasal verbs with turn. Good luck!